Hello learners, welcome to the video. In the previous chapter, we have learned about thematic maps. The maps which focus on specific information like road maps, rainfall maps, forests maps, etc. are known as thematic maps. Now, what are the components of maps? There are three components of maps. These are distance, direction, and symbol. The different elements of a map play an important role in describing details of map. Its study made it easier for people to understand the importance of components of maps. Maps are those drawings which reduce the whole world or a part of it so that it can fit on a sheet of paper. We can also say that maps are drawn to reduced scales. This reduction is done accurately so that the distance between each point is actual. This reduction is only possible when a small distance on sheet represents a large distance on the ground. Learners, can you think that how is this reduction done? No worries, I'll tell you. A scale is chosen for this reduction of distance. Well, the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map is known as scale. We can take an example on it. Let us suppose that the distance between your home and your friend's home is 10 kilometers. If we show this 10 kilometers distance by 2 centimeters on a map, it means 1 centimeter on the map will show 5 kilometers on the ground. The scale of our drawing will be 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometers. Well, it means that a scale is very important in a map. If we know the scale, we can easily estimate the distance between any two places on a map. When we have to show large places like continents or countries on a paper, then we use a small scale. Like 2 centimeters on the map shows 200 kilometers on the ground. It is known as a small scale map. And when we have to show a small place like a town or a village on a paper, then we use a large scale. That is, 2 centimeters on the map shows 200 meters on the ground. It is known as a large scale map. Well, various maps show an arrow which shows a letter N at the upper right hand corner. It represents the north direction. When we know the north, then we can easily represent the other directions. East, west, north and south are known as cardinal points. Northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest are the other four intermediate directions. Well, it is difficult to draw on a map the actual shape and size of any feature like building, roads, bridge. So, these are represented by using certain letters, shades, colors, pictures. The use of these symbols provide a lot of information in a limited space. Finally, we can say that any place can be located more precisely with the help of intermediate directions. Thus, with the use of these symbols, maps can be easily drawn and are simple to read. Now it is time to explore. Can you think of what mistake can students do while enumerating the components of a map? In this video, we have learned about the components of a map. In the next video, we will learn about the distance in a map. I'll take your leave. Till then, bye. Stay happy.